In this video, we'll talk about minimum lovable product and minimum viable product. But first, what is a minimum viable product? A minimum viable product or MVP includes only the bare minimum functionality needed to bring a product to the market. That is why in recent years, the concept of a minimum lovable product or MLP and pursuing customer lovability has emerged as a more holistic approach that is counter to an MVP. The reported goal of an MVP is to accelerate learning in the early stages of the product development with a minimum investment of money and resources. However, the concept of an MVP can also be applied to existing product as a way to understand if a new feature set is valuable to customers. Step to the process of building an MVP. Number 1, identify and evaluate the problem. Secondly, analyze the competition. Thirdly, define the user flow. Fourthly, prioritize the minimum set of features. And finally, build, test, and learn. Creating an MVP provides a way to quickly learn if a product has the potential to succeed. This way, companies can make a more informed decision about when to persevere with an idea and when to abandon it. Here are the advantages. Regarding investment, a low investment of both time and money reduces the risk of business failure and gives teams the option to learn and adapt during development. In regards to time to market, MVPs often get to the market fast, allowing them to establish a foothold ahead of any competition. Finally, in relation to feedback, early feedback can give strong product market fit signals. Teams can quickly develop and release features to address consumer needs. Then the disadvantages. On investment, teams run the risk of not investing enough to deliver a product offering that can solve customer problems. Regarding time to market, if the right solution is not delivered, competitors will win out as the market matures. And regarding feedback, teams can become too focused on addressing every point of feedback instead of focusing on the underlying customer problems. With that being said, what is a minimum lovable product? Minimum lovable product or MLP is an initial offering that users love from the start. It represents the minimum that is required for customers to adore a product rather than merely tolerate it. The MLP serves as a counterpoint to the minimum viable product or MVP. Why is the MLP important? An MLP can be a way to differentiate your product in a crowded marketplace. To build an MLP, you must deeply consider what customers care about, problem they have, and how to make their lives better.